Have you been looking for that body wash that will hydrate, moisturize, and brighten your skin? This is a video you want to watch to the end, as I'm going to be walking you through on how to make this homemade effective DIY turmeric body wash that is going to help to brighten your skin, that is going to help to hydrate your skin, that is going to help to plump your skin. So this is a video you want to carefully watch to the end, because you can make this DIY body wash for yourself and you start seeing result. And if you have persons that have been looking for something to make their skin plump, to hydrate and moisturize their skin, something that will make them have this baby kind of skin, okay, this is the OG. This is what will do the job, and it's simple to come up with. Okay, so what we need is any beauty bar. So this is Joy soap. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to carefully grate the Joy soap. So like I said, you can use any mild beauty bar. Okay, don't use harsh soap, because harsh soap tend to strip off the skin's natural oil. So you need a soap that is very mild, and a moisturizing soap at that. You can also use Lux, you can use Dove. Okay, so there are many good mild beauty bar out there that you can use. You must not use Joy, but if you see Joy, that is fine. Okay, so carefully grate the soap. Like, take your time to grate the soap, because it will enable the soap dissolve on time. So that is the reason why we are grating the soap. And make sure that the grater you're using, you don't use it to make edible things. Okay, so make sure that it's strictly for grating soap, and something you don't use to cook. Okay, so you should be very careful, right? So grate the soap. This is 50 grams of grated soap, right? Then next you're going to pour in 350 mils of very hot distilled water. Then you're going to add the grated soap into the very hot water. Make sure that the water is very hot to enable us melt the soap faster. Okay, so once you add the soap to the very hot distilled water, you're going to gently mix very well. So take your time to mix. So like I said, the hot water will help to melt the soap. So mix, and gently mix. Okay, so after mixing, the next thing we are going to do, okay, is to cover it, because it will help the soap to melt faster. Okay, so we are going to cover it for a while, like cover it, and we're going to leave it to cool, because we have to leave it to cool before we move over to the next step. So no worries, it's going to thicken, okay, once it's cooled down. So the trick is to cover it and leave it, okay, to cool. So cover, you're going to leave it until it cools, and once it cools, it's going to kind of thicken a little. Okay, so this is a body wash after it must have cooled down. Okay, you're going to give it a stir. As you guys can see, it has become a little bit thickened, and that is what we want. Okay, so give it a very good mix, and it has fully melted. Okay, so the reason for that hot water is to help us melt the soap. Okay, then you're going to leave it, like I said, to cool completely. So after cooling, you're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, then half tablespoon of honey. So turmeric helps to brighten up the skin. Okay, it helps to clear dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Then honey is a humectant that will help to hydrate the skin. Okay, so once you add this ingredient, you're going to mix and mix till it's well combined. So guys, this particular body wash will not just brighten your skin, it will also hydrate your skin. And this is a DIY natural, like pure natural body wash, okay, that anyone can use. It doesn't strip off the skin's natural oil. So if you are somebody that have dry skin, okay, in as much as this particular body wash is recommended for all skin type, because all skin needs to be very very moisturized and hydrated, okay, irrespective of your skin type. So make sure you mix this very very well, okay. So after mixing, you're going to add quarter teaspoon of preservative. So I use Jamal Plus preservative. So this will help to preserve this body wash, okay. So after adding preservative, just take your time to mix and mix and mix and incorporate it very 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 well, like incorporate the whole ingredient very very well by thoroughly mixing everything to be well combined. So like I said, this particular body wash will not strip off your skin's natural oil. It will help to like hydrate your skin and also brighten your skin. So this is a DIY body wash you can make for yourself. So as you guys can see, it's easy and simple to come up with, okay. So after mixing, you're going to get a very clean sterilized container, and you're going to transfer it into this container. So guys, this is what you want to try. If you've tried other homemade DIY body wash and it didn't work, this is a body wash you should try, because you're going to love it. Like, your skin is going to thank you. And as you guys can see, you just need just few ingredients and just need a beauty bar as your base, okay. Then you add turmeric powder, you add honey, and you add preservative, and you're good to go. As you guys can see, our soap is looking beautiful. Our soap is ready to be used, so you can use once you are done making the soap. You don't need to leave it for days, no. So our soap is ready to be used, and the amazing thing about this soap is that this soap also foams. So weight your body, of course, is a body wash, okay. You can use it on your face if you wish, but mostly it's a body wash. Like, for those that will ask me, can I use it on my face, you can also do that, right, okay. But mostly it's a body wash. So just weight your skin, and you go in with the soap and gently, take the soap around your skin and use your sponge, okay. And that is it. You wash it off, and it will leave your skin moisturized. Like, it doesn't dry out your skin. It will leave your skin well hydrated, moisturized, and plump, okay. So any skin type can use this soap, and it's easy to come up with, like you guys saw. So it's an easy DIY turmeric brightening body wash you can start using today, and it will give you that super beautiful skin, okay. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe to this channel. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.